Dear students, now we'll see eddy currents. So this is also one of the important topic in electromagnetic induction. So till now we have seen in previous lectures, whenever the magnetic flux linked with a conductor or a closed circuit or a closed loop changes, the induced EMF produced in it, which causes induced current also produced in that. Now, instead of taking the closed circuit or closed loop, now we'll take the metallic conductors. The two solid metallic conductors are placed in a changing the magnetic field. Then what is going to happen? That we'll see now. So whenever the magnetic flux linked with a solid metallic conductor, when the magnetic flux passing through the solid metallic conductor changes, here also the induced currents produced. But that induced currents produced in that solid metallic conductor in the form of eddies, or we called whirlpools. So whenever the magnetic flux linked with a solid metallic conductor changes, so here also the currents are induced, but that currents are induced have a certain shape. What is that shape? That shape, it is in the form of eddies or in the whirlpools. So in the river flow, you might have observed the mass of the water is rotating like this, so that we called eddies or whirlpools. So the currents induced in the form of eddies, that's why these induced currents we called eddy current. Who was introduced this eddy currents? That is the Foucault. So sometimes we call it as a Foucault currents also. So here Foucault found that whenever the magnetic flux linked with a metallic conductor changes, induced currents are produced in that metallic conductor in the form of eddies. That's why these currents are eddy currents, or we can call it as Foucault currents. Or so try to remember the both names, either eddy currents or Foucault currents. So here I will write the definition of eddy current. Eddy currents are the currents induced in a metallic conductor when placed in a changing magnetic field. So this is a simple definition. So eddy currents are the currents induced in a metallic conductor when placed in a changing magnetic field. Next, we'll see the production of eddy currents in different experiments that are performed by Foucault. So here we can expect the questions on eddy currents. How the currents, how the questions on the eddy currents will be: define eddy current and mention any three applications of it. Application in the sense either uses or advantages. So applications or uses or advantages, the three comes under the same question, so it is a 3-mark question. It is important, that we'll see now. And in one more way also it may ask, describe the experiment in the production of eddy currents. So we'll see experiment 1. Here we have taken a soft iron core. So here we have considered a soft iron core which is placed inside a solenoid. So here this is a solenoid, and this solenoid is connected to a alternating source of EMF. So here this soft iron core, it is placed inside this solenoid, so it is not possible to show inside this solenoid. That's why here just a little pot I have taken is the outside. So this is placed inside this solenoid. This solenoid, it is connected to the source of alternating EMF, and place a metallic disc over the cross sectional area of the soft iron core as shown in the figure like this. So here, as the circuit, this is a circuit, here circuit is switched on, immediately the metallic disc is thrown up into the air like this. As long as whenever the circuit is switched on, immediately this metallic disc is thrown up into the air. So why this is going to happen, throwing into the air? Because of the current, as long as here switch is on. So whenever the switch is on, then here we'll see that explanation. Here experiment, what it says, whenever the switch is on, the metallic disc is thrown up into the air. So why it is going to happen, now we'll see under explanation. When the circuit is switched on, the current starts to grow from